I'm from Surat, Gujarat.
Gujarat.
Graduated from IIT Bombay.
IIT Bombay, IIT Madras.
Yay!
Hokkaido University.
日本語勉強はどうですか？
日本語勉強はちょっと大変です。新しい言葉は難しいです。多分私はインドでちょっと勉強しましたから今ちょっと大丈夫です。多分漢字あと JLPT もチャレンジします。
今初めて学生は日本語勉強は何が
Suggestions. What is your suggestions? わかりました。それは練習は大切 important. Homework and practice is important. 毎日練習は大切。あとpreparation は毎日1時間2時間あと毎週sometimes weekly every day you have to give the time and even I forget the kataba what we learned in the class the vocabulary I forget so if you forget it is difficult to build again so it's advisable to keep practicing wherever possible and whenever possible and one thing I could say when you practice Japanese class of course it is difficult we stuck everywhere even my neighbors in class I found they stuck. Don't think negative when you stuck. It is very common because we are learning new language. It is difficult. Sensei knows and everyone knows. It is not easy. Even I get stuck sometimes and interrupt my neighbors including him what he is asking me questions. So it is normal to stuck when you learn the Japanese. So just keep focused and be positive. Don't give up. It will be like that. I just would like to say it is normal. So that's it I could say for the freshers.
You can join one more Indian camp there.
He's you are studying Japanese, right?
Yeah.
What you are studying? Grammar 1, 2?
Well, introductory communication, introductory grammar level 1.
1. So how do you feel learning Japanese?
Well, it was fantastic experience. It's literally fantastic.
How is it? Difficult? Easy?
Well, it is easy at this level, but one has to practice. It's
same.
Practice makes man perfect.
Same. Practice renshu is important every time.
So practice is important, but it is always good that we learn a foreign language. At least that we will be able to communicate. If though we are currently at Japan, it's useful, but afterwards in future also it will be useful somewhere. So it's good and it's good opportunity here.
今北海道で何を勉強していますか？
What you are studying in Hokkaido University?
Yeah, I am a graduate student, so Hokkaido Daigaku mo Gakuse desu.
Graduate student Insei
desu. Daigaku Insei desu.
Daigaku Insei desu. Hi, so this.
Which department?
I am in a mechanical department, mechanical and space utilization.
同じですね。機械工学の学生です。Mechanical engineering.
Where are you
students.
from? India?
I am from India.
IIT?
I'm from Surat, Gujarat.
Gujarat.
Graduated from IIT Bombay.
IIT Bombay, IIT Madras.
Yay!
Hokkaido University.
新しい友達がいます。
新しい友達がはい欲しいです。
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.